In this video, I'll show you how to deposit crypto into crypto.com. I'll show you sending crypto in from a wallet and then a centralized exchange. It's basically the same process, just a couple of different types of platform. So what we can do firstly on crypto.com is press this blue button where it says deposit. And then down at the bottom, it will say crypto. So click that. And then you need to choose the crypto that you want to deposit in. So obviously these are the cryptos that are supported on crypto.com. If you can't find the crypto that you want to deposit in, then crypto.com don't accept it. And so what you may have to do in your wallet or the other exchange is probably trade that crypto for something that crypto.com does actually accept, like a stable coin or Bitcoin or ETH or something like that. So what we're going to do first is find our Bitcoin deposit address. So search for Bitcoin, and you'll notice that Bitcoin has the Bitcoin network, right? It says BTC. This is crypto.com's DeFi chain, which you probably won't be using, right? Bitcoin is simple. It has a Bitcoin deposit address and that's it. So you can choose that option, press done, and you get your Bitcoin deposit address, and that's easy. Now, if you're using something like a stablecoin, stablecoins are, dollars essentially, and they exist on many different chains. So if I go down to something like USDC and then select the network, you'll notice that there is actually a bigger selection of chains here, and there's many supported. Well, which chain should you use? This depends on where you have the USDC. If the USDC is in a wallet that you own, that USDC will be on a specific blockchain. So obviously you have to use that chain. Let's say that you've got your USDC on the Ethereum network in a wallet. Well, of course you have to deposit it on the Ethereum network. You can't switch networks. And so you can just get your Ethereum deposit address. If you have the USDC on the Solana chain or the Kronos chain, just simply choose these. These are going to be different addresses because they're different chains. But as long as you know where the USDC or the USDT is, then you can just choose that chain, send it over that chain, and you can get your deposit address on crypto.com on that chain. Now I'll show you exactly how to send crypto over to crypto.com. So deposit, we're going to choose a crypto. Now I've got some Ethereum in my crypto.com on-chain wallet. So that's what I'm going to deposit in. So I'm going to search for ETH, which is right here. And I know that the ETH in my wallet is on the Arbitrum chain. So that's the one I have to deposit into. So hopefully crypto.com supports the Arbitrum chain, which it does, Arbitrum. So I'm going to press done. And this is my wallet address for the Arbitrum chain. So I'm going to copy this. And then we need to go over to our wallet and we can send that transaction. So if we go over to the wallet, I'm going to go to my wallet here. And it says you've got some ETH on the Arbitrum chain. The reason I know it's Arbitrum is you can see the ETH logo. And then to the bottom left, that's the Arbitrum logo. So I can click this. And it actually says at the very top here, Ethereum Arbitrum 1, which is the same chain. So I'm going to send this out of my wallet. So I'm going to press send. And of course, I need to paste in my wallet. I'm actually not going to allow that for now because we want to go through this process. So I'm sending Ethereum and I want to send it on the Arbitrum chain and then the recipient here. Now, if you're using the on-chain wallet as well, you can actually just press connect to crypto.com and that's going to automatically link up your balances and your addresses. So that's going to be really easy, but I'll just show you how to do this manually. So the two, we need to paste in the wallet address, and that's the one that we copied from the crypto.com app. So I'm going to press next here. And do you trust this? Yes. And how much do you want to send over? So let's just do an amount. We could do max amount or something like that. So let's do like this, and then press send down at the bottom. And it's going to check everything for me. So it's checking the address, it's checking the gas fee. So if I'm sending from my wallet, I have to press a gas fee. But two, you can check the address here, just make sure it's the exact same one as crypto.com and everything, and that should go through. So I'm going to press confirm to send. That's in my wallet. This works for any wallet like Trust Wallet or any of the others. And it's sending to the address of my crypto.com. If you're sending crypto from another centralized exchange, then it only matters that you're using the same blockchain to send and receive. So let's press deposit again. And let's say that I want to deposit a stablecoin into crypto.com. So crypto, and let's search for USDC. And it says which chain you want to use. Well, you need to now go over to your other centralized exchange and figure out which blockchain is accepted for both centralized exchanges. So let's go over to another centralized exchange. Let's say I want to send some USDC from Binance. What I actually want to do first is select the network. The reason being is that you can use many different networks for stablecoins, right? So what I really want to do is choose the network that is the cheapest. So you can see Ethereum is 80 cents, Sol is 30 cents. There's probably some cheaper ones right here. And what I need to do is make sure that whichever chain that I use, both Crypto.com and the other exchange accept this chain so that they can communicate and I can send the money over. So let's choose Arbitrum again because it makes it simple. It might not be the cheapest, but I can use that one. And it says enter the address. So go back to Crypto.com. And now because I know that I'm using the Arbitrum chain, I can select the network. I have to select Arbitrum on this end as well. If I select a different network, then the address is going to be wrong and they can't send the message. So that's the Arbitrum one here, press done. You can press copy here, then go back to the other centralized exchange, put the address in here. When you're sending crypto, just make sure same asset, USDC, same blockchain, in this case Arbitrum, or it might be Ethereum or something else. Same asset, same blockchain, and that should go through to your deposit address in Crypto.com. And you can send a small amount first just to check that you won't make any mistakes. If you need some more help with Crypto.com or anything else, I'll leave some videos down in the description. Some deposit and trading bonuses to the exchanges I use will be down there as well if you want to look at those. I'm James, this is Money ZG. Cheers for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.